Okay, so this will be it for the solution, okay, for that of the A. However, like I said, every question, if you want to take it to the point slope form, you can always take it to the point slope form. By that, this is what I mean. So I'm going to treat this one, okay, odds. Okay, so in the same way, I'll write giving, and what am I giving? I've been giving the gradients. Okay, and you can choose to write M here, giving M, you know M is the gradient. Okay, only that I'm extracting directly. 2. And, okay, my y-intercept. Okay, my y-intercept, I'm told, is 4. Okay, so in this situation, the question gave you the y-intercept as a value. So it has given you the y value, okay, at the point of intersection. However, every point is supposed to have x coordinates and y coordinates. Okay, and we know at the y-intercept, one of the coordinates automatically known, which is the s coordinate. Is that not it? So this y-intercept, which has been given in terms of a value here, I can move it to a point, and that will be what? 0, 4. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, so it means this time round, okay, I've moved the question from gradients, okay, intercept form to point, slope, or gradient form. So I will quote that formula instead. So I'll write equation is given by, and what do? You come and quote, and that will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Sub 1. Why? So this implies that, okay, your y1 is this, x1 is this. So y minus y1 is 4, is equal to m, you know, that is 2, into x minus x sub 1. X sub 1 is 0. So we are going to get y minus 4, okay, is equal to what? Okay, 2x. Is that clear? Because x minus 0 will give you x, then times 2. So I'm going to rearrange, okay, and move. So 2x is positive. I will move the 2 here. So I'll get therefore 2x minus y, okay, then plus 4, okay, is equal to 0 is the equation. Did you get the same thing? Okay, however, you can see that originally, okay, we were given these two information and we realized that this would be ideal. So the first one is ideal, only that I just want you to know that any question, if you prove further, you can always use the point slope form, okay, to extract your equation. Is my point well made? Okay, so I'm going to do one more, that is the B here. Okay, then, but I won't do the alternative. I will use, okay, the ideal method. So B, what are we giving? We'll be giving gradients to be equal to -3. And, okay, the y-intercept is not pretty, but we'll work with it. And y-intercept, okay, is equal to what? 2 on what? On 3. So here you quote the right formula. So you write equation is given by, okay, and that will be, if you have space, you continue. Y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so I'm going to write, okay, now you know you are matured. So just go and substitute directly. So this implies that, okay, y will be equal to, okay, mx. So m is what? Sometimes I advise students, once you know, because you read a question, appreciate it before you uh, plan how to solve it. So in this case, if you write a gradient, you know you need m and c. So you write gradient comma c. Sorry, m, forgive me, gradient comma m. okay, y-intercept, comma, c, so that you know exactly what the M and C, okay, are represented. Is my point well made?
Please take it again.
Okay, so I said we could have dealt with it this way. Instead of writing, okay, this, because you can see that after writing this, we have to come and write, but M is equal to this and C is equal to that. And I said we can cure that. We can choose not to write that by doing this. I'll write gradients. Okay, so let me change this one a letter. So I'll write it this way. Gradient, I know I will use M. So gradient M is equal to, okay, minus what, 3. And, okay, the y-intercept, comma, C is equal to what? 2 on 3. Is it clear now? So that I don't have to come and write, but M is equal to C is equal to, because indirectly, I've cured that here. So that will give me y is equal to M. M is minus 3. Okay, into x, then plus c. C is what? 2 on 3. Okay, so we have to clear the fraction first, then we move, or you can move then clear. It's the same thing. So let's clear first. Okay, more than a term here, so we can multiply through mentally. So the LCM will be 3 times this, so 3y is equal to 3 times this minus, okay, 9, okay, x. 3 times this plus what? 2. The 3 will cancel. This is negative, so it means I have to move these 2 terms here. Whilst I'm moving, I will draw my conclusion. So 9x, my first term should always be the s term, followed by my y term here will not be moved, so it will still remain 3y. Then this will move, so minus 2 is equal to 0. All correct. Are we all
Yes,
fine?
please.
Okay, very good. Okay, so on that note, that will be it for the solution to question 3. Unfortunately, today we couldn't have our water break. Forgive me or pardon me. Okay, so let's look at the last set of questions. Okay, this one is the one that I said, okay, usually JHS, okay, you are not told. So it's going to be somehow new to you, but don't worry, it's so easy. So find the equation of the line with the following x and y intercepts. Okay, so let's go and look at how best we can deal with it. So we are going to extract. So solution, what you write first, the major question number. Okay, anything to extract then no. Okay, the minor question number A. Okay, so please, what will you write here? Given what will you write? I'm going to ask you individually and see whether you get the trick. Adam, what will you write? Giving. Adam, are you there? What will you write? Okay, whilst we are waiting for Adam, Alan, what will you write? What will you extract? Giving.
I don't know.
Oh, you are extracting. This one shouldn't be assuming, but at least you should be able to say something. When we were
Okay,
extracting
two
here,
and
what?
three.
So you say something even if it's wrong. Okay. All right. So 2, okay, and 3. That's what he said. Any other? Let me see. Kirsten, what will you write? Okay, Adam, are you there? I need your response. You also write 2, 3.
Please, you write it, please.
Okay, all right. But you said it and you said you don't know. Okay. Okay, Lynette,
Yes.
what would you write?
If you write 2, 3 as like giving
Oh,
2, 3 as the intercept of x and y.
that's what you write.
Yes, please.
Okay, all right. Anyway, Matiwai. Okay, let me see. I want to move on and see. Okay, Stephanie, what will you write?
Yes, please. Giving 2, 3 as the intercept of x and y.
Okay, all right. Anyway, okay, Mr. Hackman, what will you write? Okay, I will write this. Okay, so you extract, but you extract precisely. Those of you who said 2, 3, or 2, okay, and 3, that's not how you extract. So if you look at this, you can see that the 2 here is the x-intercept, okay, and the y here, sorry, the 3 here is the y-intercept. Walali.
That was a mistake. Sorry.
Okay, all right. So now you write giving x-intercepts to be equal to 3, sorry, 2, and y-intercept. You get the point now? Is equal
Yes.
to what? 3. Okay, now you know there is a formula that takes care of this information when you are giving the intercepts. Remember, so let's go back and see quickly. Okay, remember, 2 intercept form, x-intercept and y-intercept. There's the formula where we are told A is the x-intercept and B is the y-intercept. So this is the formula that if you quote, okay, you work smarter but not harder. Okay, so now let's go and, okay, continue from where we were. Okay, so I will write equation is given by, so we know the equation to the form to settle on is given by, remember, it is x over a plus y over b is equal to what? 1. Okay, but you know that a is equal to your x-intercept, which is 2, and okay, b is equal to your y-intercept, which is 3. Is that clear? Hello, my professors, are you following?
Yes. Yes, please.
Very good. All right, so now we go and substitute. So this implies that, okay, x over a is 2, plus y over b is what? 3, is equal to 1. So you clear the fraction, the LCM will be 6. So this time 6 will give us 3x. This time 6 will give us 2y. This time 6 will give us 6. Everything on one side equated. So, but for this okay, term, okay, we could have concluded here. So you have to move. So you end up getting 3x. Therefore, 3x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0 is the equation. Is my point well made?
Yes, please.
Okay, so I'm going to do the D. Okay, and with that, any question at all, you should be able to deal with it. Okay, so I will skip the B and go straight to the D. Okay, and even with this question, someone can take it to the point slope form or the 2-point form, because once you are told this is the x-intercept, at the x-intercept, y is 0. So it means this is what? Okay, 2, 0, the point 2, 0. This is the point 0, 3. Is that clear?
Yes, please.
Okay, so
Yes.
you can do that as well, and you should know how to continue from there. So what am I giving? Okay, and this time round, I'm going to be a little, okay, smart. Giving, we said that this, okay, value here is for the x-intercepts, all right? I know the formula that I'm going to use mentally, x over. So I will set out, before I write this, I know my plan. So giving x, okay, intercept. And again, I'll write comma A is equal to 3 on 5. You get the point?
Yes, please.
Okay, and okay, y-intercept B to be equal to minus 2 on 3. Okay, so now you come and quote the formula. Equation is given by, before you write the equation is given by, you know the equation that you are going to use. Okay, so I will come, okay, let me write it here. It will be x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. So this implies that now you won't go and write, but a is equal to b is equal to. You've already stated that here. Is that clear? Okay, so now what do we write? This implies that x over a is not pretty, a fraction, but we are not bothered, 3 on 5. Okay, plus y on b is minus 2 on 3. We are not bothered. Okay, is equal to what? 1. So we know that this is the same as x divided by 3 on 5, which will be the same as x times 3 on 5. Sorry, times 5 on 3. Is that clear? We are doing the algebra mentally. So indirectly, what we have here is the same as x, okay, times, okay, 5 on 3, okay, plus, or this will make it negative. So minus y times, then you reciprocate, okay, 3 on 2. Okay, it's equal to what? 1. Is my point well made?
Yes,
As you mature, this step, you can skip to the one that I'm going to write. So this will give us 5x over 3, or 5 over 3x, then minus, okay, 3y over 2, or 3 on 2y is equal to 1. So you come and clear the fraction. LCM will be 6, each term multiplied by 6. So this will give us, okay, one side more than a term, so you can do it mentally always. So this time 6 will give us, this will go here too. So I will get 10x here minus, okay, this by 6, okay, we'll go here. So that will give me, okay, 9y. And this by 6 will give me 6. Okay, so remember everything on one side equated to 0, making sure that your S term is positive. This is already positive, so I'll move this one here. And I'll draw my conclusion at that point. So 10x minus 9y minus 6 is equal to 0. Is that clear?
Yes, friends.
Okay, so at this point, it means any, okay, information that you are given, okay, and you are asked to find the equation of a line, irrespective of the information, you should be able to, okay, extract that equation of a line. Okay, is my point well made? Are we all fine?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Okay, so thank you very much for your attention and for your cooperation, your contribution as well, and making the class a success. Okay, God bless us all.